Hi, I wanted to check in with you all about the case studies. So I know that collaboration is hard when you're working online and you don't necessarily even know the other people you're working with, but this is a great chance to collaborate. And I actually was just reading a book about education in China, about how the teachers collaborate every day. And so I don't think we always have a chance to collaborate with other teachers in United States schools. And so this is a chance to do that. And that's one of the ways that helps us grow. So in order to do that, though, I know I need to give you a lot of support. And so this video is to hopefully do that. I am sending out an announcement, and in the announcement, it tells you that I'm at a conference. So hello from Houston. And some people have already finished the case study, and other people haven't even signed up yet. And other people are waiting for other people to sign up so that they can start doing the case study. So I wanted to get everyone on the same page because it is Thursday and this is due Sunday. So these are the groups. The 8th grade science, Jessica C., Nicole Renee. Second group of 8th grade science, Malcolm, Sanji, Molly. 10th grade chemistry, Shanae and Caitlin. Just go ahead and write it yourselves. Then we'll have a second group, Carly, Rachel W., and Kevin. First grade group, Mary, Claire, Deanne, Brooke. You guys are good to go. 5th grade, creating context, Aaron, Abby, Rachel T. Social studies, Matthew, Joshua, Samantha. Drum circles, Pranav, Jessica P., Katie. And then Janice, I'm assuming you'll want to be in that group. But if you want to be in the simulation group, then that's fine too, because they still need another person. Kelsey's got the art one all wrapped up. So 11th grade English, Kayla and Kelly, go ahead and work on it, just the two of you. Then we still have people I haven't heard from, Jean-Marie, L'Oreal, Natasha, Mary, Jenny, Jillian. You guys can't all be in one group. So some of you can be in this second group, 11th grade English, and some of you can form a third group by clicking on this link. Or it would be great if two of you would come down here to the simulation model and help out Marie, who's already started it. And then Saul, I put you in the simulation group as well. All right, so you can look at a group that's already gotten started. So they have 3 articles that describes their vignette, and their teacher even made a video, so that was pretty cool. You can see that the different people have signed up. So Mary is in charge of situated practice, and I put these graphic organizers just there for you. Notice I use the word may. You may use this. So Mary says, you know what, I don't need this. I'm just going to write my part down below. That's perfectly fine. Claire is going to be writing in purple, so you also will choose a color. So let's say Deanne wants to be berry, and so everything she writes, she's going to make berry, and then Brooke is going to be blue, so everything she writes is going to be blue, okay? And so you can use that. And then down here, people are just putting in comments. So the way you do comments, so we know that Mary is going to do situated practice. So you highlight it, you click this. We know that Claire is purple and she did critical literacy instruction. So we can come down here to critical literacy instruction. She's going to write that part, so it'll be purple. And then Claire's ready to go with the implications. And then Deanne added a comment that she'll work on the description of the case. All right, and so, and then they are writing it. They're just writing it out down here. So this is where the final product will actually be a paper, and then you could put your references down below, okay? You should reference the readings we did. You can even reference videos. They did some extra citations here of Alexander and Kathy Short, okay? So I would also mention Kathy Short's article, since you put her, because that's what these teachers read. They read that same article that you wrote. I forget what year it is, but that chapter that we read in the second week. Does that make sense? I hope so. If your name is not on here, or like, let's say I signed up Malcolm for the second group of 8th grade science, but he says, you know what? I know I'm teaching biology right now, but I know next year I'm going to be teaching chemistry, and I just am not feeling this one. I really want to join Shanae and Caitlin. Please email me. So if your name is not on here, email me ASAP, because we need to get started on these. Even if you don't do the work yet, you need to communicate with your group. So rule number 1 about collaboration in the world is communication. Communicate with your team. So put your name down on there and say, I only am able to work on Sundays from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. So if that's true for you, then you come in here and you say, I'm Brooke, I'm going to do this part, and I'm going to do it Sunday at 7 p.m. is my deadline. It will be finished by then. So your group knows that if it's 6 p.m. on Sunday and your part isn't in there, not to freak out yet, because you're planning on having it in by 7 p.m. Does that make sense? It's just really important that you communicate with your group. That's I think what the stressful part of collaboration is when people don't communicate and the other people don't know what to do. Also, reach out to me, because I'm happy to be the liaison in these kinds of situations. So go to your group page, choose a color, type your name in there, let your group know that you haven't fallen off the edge of the world and that you're going to be there for them. All right. I am really excited about these, so I will be talking to you soon.